Hi friends, this video shows how to prevent background apps from using more RAM. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go to system, set about. Go down, set Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system we can find new option called developer options. Set it. These are a list of developer options. Let me go down and find app section, and here you can find app section, then select background process limit. By default this would be standard limit. We can change this to 3, at most 3 processes or 2 processes, so that way we can prevent background apps from using more RAM. Let me change this to at most 3 processes. Okay, so this way we can fix that issue. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.